on the leaf.
What are you guys doing?
Fishing.
Fishing?
Yeah. Boo! Fishy. Fishy.
Jason's fly fishing. Fishy! Look at those fish.
Fishy.
What are you guys sitting in?
Boats.
In your boats?
Uh-huh.
Did you catch a fish, Jace?
Fishy.
Fishy.
I caught it.
Oh, Gracie got a big one. So big it almost knocked her boat over.
Blue.
Uh-oh. Oh no, Gracie fell in the water.
No, I didn't yet.
You lost your fishing pole though.
Not yet. Big bull.
Big pole?
Big bull. Who wants this to be a big bull?
It is a big pole.
No, I think he wants this one.
Gracie wants
I'll
Jason's
share.
fishing pole, so she's
I
trying to be
think
nice, and I think
I'll
she's going to share.
I'll share.
Yeah? Is it because you want to share, or is it because you want his fishing pole?
I think it's because I want to share.
Oh, good.
Here, you can have this one. Don't take both. Get mine. Okay.
Oh, that was nice, guys.
We're sharing.
You are sharing. That makes me so
Hold on to
happy.
this part. Hold on to this part. Hold on to the leaf thing. Yeah, hold on to that side.
Oh, you guys are going to catch some big fish now.
Hey, fishy.
Big fishy.
Look at this.
Whoa.
It's this small. It's all the way this little bit. Look, Jason. We're trained.
It is on, honey. Oh my goodness, Jason's very fussy right now. Is your Nini in your boat?
Yeah.
It is. Whoops. Hey, look at that sad face. I love you. Gracie Kate, I love you too.
Can you take a good video?
I love you guys. Bye-bye. Jace, love you. Okay, bye. Gracie was terrified of the lawnmower. Now she gets the help. Good job. You did a great job. I love you. Look how beautiful our yard looks. You did a good job. And you know what? Some of your flowers even made it in that bush over there. Some of your yellow flowers. You see them? There they are.
Well, Daddy didn't get the rest of the clover flowers.
Daddy didn't get the rest of the clover flowers?
No.
That's okay. You like the clover flowers, don't you? What happened? You used to like them.
I just changed my mind.
You changed your mind. Don't sit up there, babe. It's wet.
I wasn't. I was just putting it.
All right, Missy. I love you.
My hand likes the splash in it.
It does.
Yeah.
What happened earlier when you were standing there?
That fell over.
What else happened?
The stuff fell out.
What happened to you?
I got some like the thing, and I was trying to get this out.
What happened to you earlier when you were fishing?
Nothing.
When you were pretend fishing in the wagon?
Oh, I fell.
You fell?
Yeah. But I knocked that over while I was sitting down while I was reaching down over here.
And there's Jace watching from the window. Hi, Bubbies. Wave at Mommy.
Look at poor little Jace all by himself.
Poor little Jace all by himself. All right. Love you guys.